Yeah, precious. Hello, precious bun. Hello, precious king. You come around the front, love. You come around the front where the big whites don't know you're here. My big whites. Because they get it all. So you come here and sneak in where Mummy knows you are, alright? So you grab that. My beautiful one. My beautiful one. There you are, precious. I love you all, but you get pushed out a little bit because of the big whites. So we're not pushing you out here. This is our little secret rendezvous area, all right? Don't let on. Don't let on. This is our little secret. This is our little secret, sweetheart. Yes, you and Mummy. You and Mummy, no one else. You and Mummy. Good bird. Good bird. Good precious bird. There you are. Now don't say a word. It's our little secret. Don't fly off and tell everybody, will you? Don't fly off and tell everybody. There you are. Now don't fly off and tell everyone. And we're going out now. You sit there and enjoy it, alright? Good bird. Good bird. There you are, darling. There you are. You enjoy. Now shush. Mum's the word. Remember, Mum's the word. Bye.